Hey there, Matthew here. So I have the Nintendo Switch OLED. This is new-ish. It's been around for a few months, but it has been sold out everywhere, so I haven't been able to really get my hands on it. But finally, I saw that it was in stock at Best Buy, so I went and I bought one, and we have it here. So we're going to just take a quick unboxing and first impressions of this and see how it looks, how does it feel. A little bit of a comparison between the older Switch right here. So stay tuned and we will do that. Okay, so this was released, I believe, October 8th, 2021. We finally have it, like I said, but we're going to unbox this. So here is the box itself. You just take it, and if you look on the back here, you do see that it does have tabletop mode and stand mode, all that. It does come with the white Joy-Cons. I did get the white version of this, but there is the standard red and blue Joy-Con controllers with this as well, and also the standard red and blue, I believe, come with a black dock. This has the white dock there, but other than that, it should be the same. So we're going to unbox it now. So we do have this tab here. We're going to open it up, and then just like that, we'll kind of flip it, and as you can see, here is the device itself. You do have, like I said, the white Joy-Cons right here, and so they are the same, I guess, Joy-Cons as the original. So if you do have the red and blue from the original, or like I have right here, the orange, yellowish, and bluish color, I guess, these will work with this unit as well. So just be aware, you can kind of mix and match if you want, anything like that. I will probably end up buying a D-brand skin for this anyways, but you do have that option. So put that there. Next, we do have the actual device itself right here, so we'll take that out. And my first thought is this screen looks really nice, very nice right here. And you do have the power button here, along with volume up and volume down. And you do have a 3.5mm headphone jack right there, next to kind of the vents, speakers. Oh, and just like that, I accidentally pressed it, but it went ahead and turned on. And then you do have your USB Type-C port, so you can charge this. It also is for docking as well. And then you have these connector pins right here for docking it into the station. And then on the back here, you do have the kickstand, and I'm glad they went with this kickstand and not the older version kickstand. As you can see here, it's just this flimsy little stand right here, and it's just a piece of plastic, and it is very flimsy, kind of like that. I could see it kind of wobbling or anything like that, but the stand goes through the full device, which is really nice, and it is very sturdy and stiff, and it kind of gives you that cool look right there. Another cool thing is that this does have the micro SD card slot here, just like the older one. It does have a micro SD card slot, so just be aware that if you do want to expand the storage, you can. I would definitely suggest it. It's kind of giving me instructions on how to set this up, so I'll put this to the side and see what else is in the box. Other than that, you do get a HDMI to HDMI cord right here, so it is nice that they do provide that in the box. So HDMI. Then you have your power adapter for either your Switch or your dock right here, and it is USB Type-C, so this would go on the bottom of your Switch if you were to just charge it like a phone, which is really nice. Then what comes in the box is kind of a controller for your Joy-Cons. You can connect them and use them as like a regular controller, just like that, which is really nice. I do like that. You have a holder for your Joy-Cons, and then here is the dock itself. Toss that and toss this, and here's the dock. It comes in white, with the black accent right there. It does look very, very nice, and very sleek. And you do get 2 USB Type A ports right here, so you can charge another device if you want. And then when you kind of flip it over, there's this piece right here. You actually take this piece off, and you do have access to your HDMI, your USB Type C port, and your LAN port as well. So you do have those 3 ports, and then the 2 USB A ports right there for charging other devices. So that is nice that you do get all that. Okay, so just to recap, you do get your charging dock, HDMI cord, 2 Joy-Cons. Now go ahead and take these out of the bag. Joy-Con straps. You can connect these to your Joy-Cons if you want, rather than having your Joy-Con connected to the actual device itself. So you do have straps for them. And then the actual device itself right here. And so this is nice. And I will go ahead and just connect this to the device and set it up. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have the device here. As you can see, have it like that. I'm going to go ahead and slide this Joy-Con in, and I will slide this Joy-Con in here. And just like that, it is ready to go, and it gives you a nice little haptic feedback. It is very nice. I do like that, and it sounds decent. It's not the best sounding, but it is a small little device, so I will say that. And I'll just go ahead and do this, accept, next. And I'm gonna set this up, and then we will get back to it. Okay, so I've got to say, first impressions, this looks beautiful. It looks really nice, and it actually looks very modern compared to the older one. As you can see here, the older one, the screen was just really thick. At least the bezels were, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that because I don't have battery in the older one, but the screen, the bezels were thicker, and it just kind of looked outdated. But now they've updated it. They have thinner bezels, which is nice, and I really do like that. The screen itself is very, very vibrant, very, very nice. The Joy-Cons are the same Joy-Cons, so nothing different about that. And I will say, so let's try this kickstand out. I don't know if you can see that, but this kickstand is nice. I really do like that. No longer do you have to worry about your device falling or like that, or getting it, like, as you can see here, it is very flimsy. Like, look at that on the side here, it does look like it could fall over, where this is not gonna fall at all. It is more sturdy, which I really do like. Other than that, I mean, the screen is the main difference between the OLED and the original Switch here. They do have a Switch Lite, which does not have detachable Joy-Cons, so just be aware of that. That one costs $199. I believe they are selling the regular Switch for $300, or yeah, I believe it's $300, $299, and they are selling the Switch OLED for $349. This is not meant to replace the original Switch. It's to go in line with the original Switch. So you do have tiers now. You have the Switch Lite, which is the lower tier, the Switch regular, I guess you could call it, which would be the mid tier, and then the Switch OLED, which would be the higher tier, and that is $199, $299, and $349. So $50 extra gets you the OLED Switch. However, like I said in the intro, I have not been able to find the Switch OLED out until just recently, so they tend to sell fast when they do sell. Again, this is a very nice device. I am excited to use it and to see how it feels, how it works, see if the larger screen makes a difference. I don't think internally, I don't think it's a whole lot different than the regular one. The main difference, like I have said, is the screen itself. It is a larger, more vibrant screen than the regular Switch, hence the OLED versus regular. So other than that, that is my kind of first unboxing and first impressions of the Nintendo Switch OLED for $349. It looks and feels very premium compared to the older one. Just didn't look and feel as premium in my opinion, but I do like it. So this has been my unboxing and walkthrough of the Nintendo Switch OLED. I don't do a whole lot of unboxing and walkthrough of like video game consoles, but I decided I would here. So I won't be posting a video next week because I will be at a friend's wedding all weekend, but a week after that I should be able to post possibly a review video on this, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead, subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.